Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Spigen Galaxy M30s case. This is a ultra hybrid TPU as well as hard PC material case, and it protects really well, and it is a recyclable material too. So as you might be knowing that all the companies are going now green campaign and all, so recycling, less waste, light package. So why wait, my friends, let's open this up. So as you can see on the picture here, this the border is black. So I have the black phone. If you have seen my review video earlier, then you would be knowing that I have got a black phone. So I bought the black one. This color can be changed differently for your different phones. So let's open this up. So as you can see here, there is a protective film on the both sides of this case, and I will pressing this. See, this is very soft material. As you can see, these are very soft, but this is really hard. As you can see, I am unable to, it's like flexible. As you can see, it is flexible, but it is hard, and this is soft. You get your power button here, volume up, down, nothing here. Also the cutouts for speakers, microphone, charger pin, and your 3.5 headphone jack are also the top microphone cutout. Good cutout for the camera portion and fingerprint. You get slightly bump here on the corners. I can see here, this is the corners. Each and every corners you have slight bump here, so that when you keep the phone, it will not scratch the back. Usually what happens in a lot of the cases, this white portion becomes yellow and it gets scratched, or in the due course of time of uses it gets damaged and all. But in this case, my friends, I have the experience of the Spigen iPhone 8 case that I have reviewed earlier. I haven't got any scratches or anything on the back of the phone or on the case or anything. And also, since it holds the phone in this groove, okay, so there is a slight gap between the phone back and the case back. So there is a slight gap. So the phone's back also get well protected if you drop it. So let's bring the phone now. I haven't been using this M30s. So as you can see here, the phone is here. We will open the let's keep this all aside and check how the back is. Really nice, it looks really cool, really I got some fingerprints here, so you need to clean this up, wipe it out, and install this case. I dropped it. So as you can see here, we have the phone here, and the case goes first. You have to push the camera side, and do remember, my friends, I have already installed the Spigen tempered glass on top of this phone. So as you can see, the tempered glass is here. Let me focus this part. As you can see here the tempered glass is here, you can see. So this doesn't push the tempered glass also out, so it is totally, as you can see, it is perfect fit, and it doesn't hamper your tempered glass too. I mean, if you are using the Spigen tempered glass, okay, I cannot say of other tempered glass, it might push it out, but this is perfect fit. As you can see, there is perfect gap on all the sides. As you can see here, see, there is perfect gap on all the sides. So my friends, this is the video for the Spigen ultra hybrid Galaxy M30s case, and as you can see, it protects all the sides, and if you drop it like this also, it will not hamper your screen, because there is a recess on top of here. As you can see here, the phone is inside here and there are recess all the sides, so you can keep the phone in this way. it will not scratch your display. If they keep your phone in this way, it will not scratch your back of the case too. So you have got your fingerprint caps and everything aligned, and looks really nice and really fine. I haven't taken out the protective film here, so it's looking like that. So I have to, oh, that is inside, not on the outside. Let's take that out and you will get the perfect look. I'll show you. So in the meantime, let me show you how you open the case. So do remember to slightly push the case here in near the camera portion here, then on the left hand side of the camera portion here, then push it like this, okay, and just pull it in this way. Don't do any other kinds of stuffs because that will hamper your temper glass or something else. Okay, so in the meantime, let's open this up. Okay, there is a slight tab here, so you have to be very careful while opening this out. So as you can see here, you have to be very careful while taking it out. So I have got it, so you have to pull this. This is on the inside. There is another one on the back, as you can see here. It is also mentioned remove the protective film front and back. So you need to take this out too. Be really careful while doing this. Don't scratch your. It is very easier to take out on the back side rather than on the inside. So let's keep this aside. Now we will put the phone here again. Before doing that, let's clean this up again. Okay, it's done. Now you need to just push it on the camera side first, then on the other side, then really carefully push it here. It is done. So as you can see here, now it is totally clean and clear here. Let me clean this part. As you can see, you are able to see the phone very clearly, and it protects well. So I have left some dust particle here, you need to remove that. So that's all my friends, thank you for watching. This was the video for your Spigen Galaxy M30s Ultra Hybrid case for Samsung phone. Do subscribe the channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be very happy to answer you out. Bye bye.